Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Magic Touch and I am Soumya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make under eye cream. It's a very simple DIY eye cream which you can make easily by using simple products. To make this DIY cream, you will need aloe vera gel. Here I have two options for you, the Kesar Chandan one and the normal aloe vera gel from Patanjali. Petroleum jelly, vitamin E capsules and a scissor to cut it, and you will also need a container to store the eye cream and a spoon to mix it. So let's see how to make this DIY cream. For that, just take 1 scoop of aloe vera gel, put the gel into the container. Now I'll take a very little bit amount of petroleum jelly. I cannot get it. A very little bit amount of petroleum jelly. Now I'll add 1 vitamin E capsule. Remember, we have to add the oil of the vitamin E capsules, not the whole capsule. Then mix all the ingredients very nicely. Here I'm adding a little bit of aloe vera gel extra. So friends, your DIY cream is ready. You can store this cream for 1 to 2 months easily, and before applying this cream you have to make sure that your face is completely clean, and you have to apply this DIY cream with your ring finger for more beneficial results. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.